Harish. Welcome back to my channel, Gopro Hero. If you are new to here and not subscribed, please do subscribe and do support. Thank you. So, as we all know, that June 21st is identified as International Yoga Day. So, here I am going to help you with some 10 to 15 basic yoga which you can practice day to day in your life and keep healthy. Then, let's start. Please do subscribe, do support. Thank you. So let's start with the Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara is the basic yoga which includes 12 asanas. The Surya Namaskara is very good for managing your stress buster, weight management and some other doshas. So there are 12 steps in the Surya Namaskaras which I will go one by one. So what I am doing is, those are the 12 steps. First is Pranayama. Second is Hastatautanasana. Third is Hastapadasana. Fourth is Asva Sanchalasana. Fifth is Dandasana. Sixth is Ashtanga Namaskara. Seventh is Bhujangasana. Eighth is Parvatasana. Ninth is Asva Sanchalasana. Again it repeat backs. You can give. And the 10th is Astapadasana. And again 11th is Astautanasana. And the last one is Tadasana. The next comes with Tadasana. So Tadasana is a simple, very like a standing position. It involves the major group of muscles and improve focus and concentrate. And the third comes with Vrksasana. It is nothing but the tree pose which keeps the body balancing. And then here comes with the Trikonasana, which is called like triangle pose, which is very wonderful standing posture which stretches your sides of the waist and open up the lungs. And this is something like strengthening the legs and the tone the entire body. This is Virabhadrasana, which is most useful stretching the hips and the thighs and strengthening it. It should be like forward leaning stand. So the forward legs should be in the 90-degree and the backward should not be bent. It should be like in the straight position. And this is Adho, Mukha, Svanasana, nothing but the dog pose, which stretches the entire body and strengthens it. And the next comes Urdhva, Mukha, Svanasana. This is nothing but again upward facing dog. It is powerful pose that awakens the upper body and strengthens it. So previous one is for entire body and this is something like the upper body. This is called as Balasna. It is a very basic pose and it used to stretch the hips, thighs and the legs. It is going to tell that it will calm your mind and relieving the stress and the tension. This is called as Marjaryasana or Bitilasana, something called cat or cow pose. It is the fusion of two stretches that is used to stretch and warm up your spine. And it is also been said that simply it will increase your brain and improves focus, coordination and mental stability. This is Setubandhasana. It is something like bridge pose. So it is like stretching the front body and it will strengthen the back body. And the last but the not least called as Savasana. So it is a very easy position, but to do this is called Goumukhasana. It is very difficult initially to stretch and hold your hands, but it is very useful. It stretches the muscles in the ankles, knees, chest and shoulders, and which not only strengthens but also improves the blood flow, blood posture, everything. So it is almost good for the joints or in operation, okay, which increases the blood flow. This is called Paschima Namaskarasan. It is also very difficult to join your both the palms and namaskar in the reverse direction. So, but it is very good for opening up the shoulder joints. It makes the shoulder muscles very flexible. Even the wrist, forearm, everyone it will make very flexible. But it is very difficult. So do it very carefully. This is something like just twisting your hands, which stretches the your shoulder muscles and hands. It will give very relief. You can just try it. And last comes pranayama. So for pranayama, no need to give any introductions, because pranayama will reduce your stress busters, migraine, headache, and you give relaxation and some respiratory problems. This is something like twisting your upper parts and locking with the hands and the legs, so which gives relief to your shoulders and the lower abdominal. So yes. And the last but not the least, here comes the headstand. So headstand is very difficult. So basically we do headstands for like to flow blood in the reverse direction, and it reaches the every part of your head, nerves, tissue like growing hairs, everything. It is good, and please don't try without any support. And if you like this video, please do subscribe, do support. Thank you. Do share with your friends. Thank you. Please do support. Thank you.